Good morning, Leo. The weather feels nice today and I feel very fresh. I want to start the day with something healthy.
Good morning, Mia. You look happy today. What are you planning to do?
I want to make fresh juice for breakfast. Fresh juice gives energy and keeps us healthy. I bought a new blender yesterday.
That's a great idea. Homemade juice is always better than outside drinks.
I washed all the fruits properly. Now I will cut them carefully. Everything should be clean and fresh.
You are doing it very carefully. The juice will taste amazing.
I am really excited to use this new blender. It looks modern and strong. I hope it works perfectly.
Yes, it looks good. Let's see how powerful it is.
Now I am putting all the fruits inside the blender. I am closing the lid properly. Everything seems ready.
Good. Now turn it on slowly.
Okay, I am turning it on now. Oh, it started working. The sound seems normal.
Yes, it looks fine for now. Let's wait a little.
Leo, wait. Why is the sound changing? This doesn't sound right.
You're right. Something feels wrong.
Oh no. The blender suddenly stopped. It's not working anymore.
Turn it off quickly. Don't force it.
I can't believe this happened. My mood is completely ruined. I was really excited for this juice.
I know, Mia, this is very disappointing.
Maybe I did something wrong. Can you please check it again?
Sure, let me see the buttons and plug carefully.
I followed every instruction in the manual. I didn't skip any step.
Yes, I can see that. You used it correctly. The blades are not moving at all. This is not a small issue. The blender is faulty.
So it's not my mistake. I feel really bad. We spent money on this blender. Now it's useless.
Don't worry, we will fix this problem.
What should we do now? Should we repair it?
No, it's new, so we should ask for a refund. Customers should not accept faulty products. Refund is our right.
That makes sense. I feel better now. Leo, can you please go to the shop for the refund? I feel tired and a little stressed. I trust you to handle it calmly.
Of course, Mia. Don't worry at all. I will explain everything clearly to the shopkeeper. I have the receipt and the box. Everything is packed properly. This should be enough for the refund.
Please speak politely and confidently. I'll wait for you at home.
Buying a faulty product can happen to anyone. But staying silent is not the solution. Customers should always raise their voice respectfully. Hello, I bought this blender yesterday. Unfortunately, it stopped working on the first use. I would like to request a refund.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check it first. Can you explain the problem in detail?
Yes, the blender made a strange noise and the blades stopped completely. We followed all instructions carefully.
I can see the issue now. This is clearly a manufacturing defect.
Thank you for checking it properly. I appreciate your understanding. Since it is a brand new product, I would like a full refund, please. Here's the receipt.
Yes, that won't be a problem. Your refund is approved. Sorry for the inconvenience caused.
Thank you very much. Good customer service really matters. The process was smooth and respectful. This is how businesses should treat customers. Mia, I'm back home now.
Oh, welcome back. How did it go?
Everything went well. I explained the problem calmly, they checked the blender and accepted the fault.
That's such a relief. I was a little worried.
Here is the refund money. The shopkeeper was very cooperative.
Thank you so much, Leo. You handled it perfectly. Today I learned something important. We should never accept faulty products silently.
Exactly. Polite communication solves many problems.
Next time, we'll buy a better blender. And I'll finally make my fresh juice.
Yes, and we'll check reviews carefully. Always keep your receipts safe and always stand up for your rights.
That's the best lesson from today.